Right, traders, we're looking at S&P 500 and mini futures. On the ES, I can see that the downtrend played out with the break push to new extreme. We went a little bit sideways, so I was mainly patient. Right now we have push above EMA, so what I'm going to do, identify brand new trend working higher. It would be nice to get some stronger trend so I can look for second entry long at the EMA. Okay, the market is very neutral. We're basically going sideways, so I'm not even looking for trades. I'm just patiently waiting for some better structure to be more established and confirmed. All right, we finally have some clean uptrend established. So right now, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm looking for a good trade opportunity, which means second entry long at the EMA. Okay, the second entry long is a very bad inside bar. Also, it looks like the trend down is still in play. I can draw it mini micro like this, but that still doesn't negate the bad signal bar. So I'm hoping for either high low or double trap. Right, traders, I dropped the limit order. We have the double trap. We have a new high first entry long, second entry long downtrend in play. We have a break new low where downtrend played out. We have decent bar enough. It ended up reversing nicely bullish. So I dropped deep limit order because simply market reverse instantly down. So it allowed me basically to decrease the risk so much that even if this fails, the risk is tiny. I expect new high to be tested. We got stopped instantly, so quite surprising. I still expect new high. I still really like this trade. Looks like this may have been fake out trap. We'll see if we can get another opportunity to re-enter. Okay, traders, I'm trying to take the high low because the uptrend still needs new high, push above EMA, high low confirmation trade, but there was extreme momentum working higher. It didn't pull back. It already made the scalp, so I have to cancel the order. Unfortunately, we didn't get filled, but you have visual 2 legs down, strong push above EMA. We still need new high, but unfortunately, it never came back. Momentum was too strong. Alright, the downtrend played out with the break push to new low. I was looking for some good short trades, but second entry short was a bad bar. Felt second entry long, also bad bar above EMA. So I couldn't really take, so the downtrend structure played out. And right now I'm going to redraw small uptrend and see what's the next pattern. The market keeps trending down, which the market geometry is really nice. However, we can't get really good second entry short. A bunch of first entries. We had a second entry short here, but the signal bar was really bullish, so I can't really go short. So we don't get good second entry short just yet, which is unfortunate. Traders, I'm resuming the video because we have two-legged pullback second entry long. We have a downtrend that needs new low, but the downtrend was a little bit too weak. And this is such a clean, decisive push above EMA. I like the price action locally. 2 broad legs down, strong bullish bar, closing above EMA. I think we're first going to test the new high. And then after new high, we may reverse down and test the new extreme. So I really like the fact that this spike up needs new high. Very broad 2 legs down, where downtrend played out in such a strong signal bar. So I'm going to play stop loss, 1 tick below the signal bar. I'm going to go for 2.5 points. And let's see if we can get the scalp. There was a great higher low context wise, but the signal bar was bearish, so if you're not holding this trade, you can't really go long here, but we still need a few more ticks. Right, traders, we managed to get the scalp, so I'm gonna place the stop loss to break even. We have new high, so I'm not gonna be too greedy with the runner. Just gonna keep it somewhere around the new high region because the market is not gonna be open for long. So this is the overall structure for today. If we're gonna go through the chart, we didn't really have that many great hypervoltage setups to begin with. Downtrend play with the break new low, and then you have to be patient for really a long time because you're going really sideways. Too many conflicting variables. There's a decent high low, but it only looks good in hindsight because when you're watching this live, you can actually be looking for potential wider downtrend. This is what I was looking as well. Only after we broke higher, I redrew this channel. So a little bit too conflicting. We're going quite sideways, up and down. So every single time we have conflicting variables and no confirmed structure, you just don't want to be looking for trades. Then we had this very strong push up, which finally made price action easier to read. Had there been some great failed second entry short of the support, you can consider. You saw me taking a trade right here. I still like the double trap. Downtrend played out, decent bar, uptrend needed new high. Market just needed a little bit stronger correction that can happen. Then you can re-enter on the high low. I reloaded my data and the bar is even a little bit better right here. New high tested. Hopefully you are holding a decent runner. After two legs up, you can see we didn't exceed the measured move almost at all, just barely. And we instantly push back a little EMA. In case you're looking for wider channel, you can see number one, you didn't exceed the measured move. And number two, your channel has overshoot. So you already have two reasons to see that the wider channel is simply not the right play. It's better to view it as a break and new high. Downtrend working lower. I don't see no great trades. You have a couple of great setups context wise, but single bars are so bad. There was a decent lower high because you have an uptrend broad break push to new high, triple top, another push below EMA. So this is not a bad trade, but you're still going quite sideways. So not the easiest structure, but it's a decent setup. Once again, decent tail to top, bearish tail, decent lower high, uptrend played out. So actually a decent setup to consider. Then you have a bunch of first entries. You have a second entry short, but the single bar is bullish, so you can't really take. And then we have such a clean push up and broad two legs down and EMA holding so strongly. Chances are really high you're going to test the new high first before you're going to go lower. Especially this was a weak trend down in a trend range like this. So buying here makes sense. So yeah, this is the ES for today. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you had a good trading day and I'm going to talk to you next time. Like your trading.